If your growth plan for 2026 is post more content, run more ads, and grind harder, stop, because most small businesses don't fail from lack of effort. They fail from growing the wrong way at the wrong time for the wrong reasons. So in this video, I'm giving you a 7-step framework to grow a thriving small business in 2026 without working more hours, without constant pressure, and without copying strategies that were built for businesses that don't look like yours. And stay to the end, because the bonus step is the one that has made me the most money and saved me the most pain. This comes from 2 decades of building businesses after leaving my award-winning music career. Some of these businesses won, some humbled me, and from helping hundreds of founders break past the plateau. Let's go. If you're stuck around consistent 5 figures, or you're at a level where growth feels like more chaos, this is for you, because 2026 is going to reward one type of business. The one with clarity, positioning, and a simple system that turns attention into sales without burning the founder. Now, step 1 is controversial, but it's the reason most people sabotage themselves. Decide if growth actually serves you. Before you think about tactics, you need clarity. Why do you actually want to grow this year? Is it more money, more freedom, more impact, or something else entirely? Growth that isn't aligned with your values almost always leads to self-sabotage or burnout. Believe me, I've been there. And I've seen founders push for growth because they felt they should, only to quietly resist every move once things started speeding up. So ask yourself, why do I want to grow now? What will growth give me that I don't have today? And just as important, what will it take away? And here's the first action step. Write one clear sentence finishing this line. I want to grow my business in 2026 because... Step 2, define the end game clearly. You can't hit a fuzzy target. If your vision is vague, your decisions will be vague, and vague decisions create wasted efforts. Get specific about what growth actually looks like for you. What's the revenue range you're aiming at? What's the lifestyle impact you want to feel? What's the time commitment? What's the role you want to play in the business? Clarity creates certainty, and certainty is what gets people, including you, to commit. Here's your second action step. Describe your ideal business 1 year from now in writing. Focus on how it looks like and how it feels, not just numbers. If you want help doing this clearly and quickly, I've linked a free AI planning tool below that I personally use every time, that guides you through the values, the vision, and the practical 90-day plan, so you're not staring at a blank page. Step number 3, apply 10x thinking to the path. This is a game changer. The idea comes from Dr. Benjamin Hardy and his work around 10x thinking, and he says that a 10x goal doesn't mean doing 10 times more. It just forces you to stop doing most of what you're currently doing. Bigger goals act as filters because they eliminate options. Instead of asking, what should I add? Ask, what becomes irrelevant if this goal is 10 times bigger? This shift alone created massive focus and momentum for me personally and for the business owners I've worked with. And here's your action steps. Look at the current plan and ask, if this goal was 10 times bigger, what would I immediately stop doing? And again, if you want a tool to support this thinking, I've linked a free AI planning resource below. For now, just sit with the question and write your answers down. Step number 4, decide who you need to become and who you need around you. If you could hire anyone to run your business at the level you want to reach, would you hire yourself? Be honest. Growth usually requires either new skills, new support, or both. And here's your action step. Make 2 lists. What I should keep doing and why, and what I should stop doing or delegate and why. Step number 5, commit before you feel ready. Overthinking kills momentum. One of the most effective lessons I've learned came from the music world. We would set up a concert date before starting rehearsals. This single decision eliminated hesitation and forced focus. Confidence doesn't come from thinking. It comes from movement. So your action step is to choose one concrete growth move and set a public start date for it. Step number 6, build the right environment. Growth is not just about strategy, it's about environment. Where you work, who you're around, and who holds you accountable matter more than most people want to admit. What I've found is that founders grow faster when they're working together. Your action step is to decide how you'll add accountability this year. One person, one group, one commitment. Step 7, my personal favorite, start running, then reflect. Use the run, drive, fly principle. Run first, make small, fast moves. Mistakes are cheap here. Then reflect. Reflection turns action into learning and learning into speed. Your action step is to block 10 minutes after every key interaction or meeting to write down what worked, what didn't, and what's the next best step is. You can use the transcript of your meetings and ChatGPT to help you do that more efficiently. And now for the bonus step. Be ready to let it go. This step has made me millions and saved me even more. Don't attach your identity to a specific idea. If something doesn't work after real effort and honest feedback, let it go. Pivoting is not failure, it's maturity. Business may rise and fall. Your personal growth compounds. So that's the framework. Decide if growth serves you. Define the end clearly. Become the operator and build a team. Pick up the date. Work backwards. Eliminate predictable obstacles. Upgrade environment and accountability. Start now. Reflect constantly. And the bonus, detach identity from outcomes. If you want me to help you build your premium client hub so you can create recurring revenue without living launch to launch, book a one-on-one session using the link below. In this session, we'll lock you in offer, pricing, onboarding, retention, and your first 10 members. And if this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment the word thrive. I'll send you a simple checklist you can use to implement these steps, and I'll see you in the next one.